Good evening. How's everybody doing? 350 here. I figured, why not make a screwdriver video, as everybody calls them. I have a laptop, a dead one. Took all the parts out of it that were functional, sold them, made some cash on it. And that little piece of shit right there, USB hub that went out on me the other day. So let's get at it. Oh, and this time, 20-pound sledgehammer. Yeah. Let's see what happens. That dowel's tougher than I thought. Anybody want the logo? Oop. I gotta admit, these things are pretty damn tough. Won't come apart. Oop, oop. Lid latch. Couple keys. There we go. Okay. Now, when you're using a sledgehammer, this isn't supposed to happen. I guess you're not supposed to leave them outside in the rain, but I shouldn't have this in one hand and this in the other. But anyway, let's see what we got here. Okay. Sorry about the camera angles. Trying something different here. But anyway, that's the screen. What's left of it. But and one thing you want to do, you want to keep track of all these keys. Oh shit. By the way, I'm using a brick breaker. And this thing is tough. Ooh. There's your control key for control. There we go. Ooh. Processor. Wonder how many cores this is now. Have to find that later. The USB hub. Bought it from Radio Shack. And that's gone. But anyway, if you have a laptop that's broken, it's pretty much what it should look like afterwards. And keep track of all the keys as they're flying off of there. But anyway, hope you had as much fun watching it as I did making it. Have a good one, everybody. 350 out.